Beneath the waves, in the dark corners of our oceans, live creatures so strange they seem straight out of science fiction. From fish with see-through heads to glowing monsters of the deep. Tonight, we dive into the strangest ocean creatures ever discovered. Welcome to Stories and Documentaries TV. I'm Venant, your guide through the wonders of nature. Stay with me till the end. You'll never look at the ocean the same way again. And before we begin, hit subscribe, tap the bell, like, share, and comment to tell us which creature shocked you the most. Let's dive right in. Did you know we've explored more of outer space than the deep sea? That's right, our oceans hide more mysteries than Mars. And inside them, creatures so bizarre you'd think they escaped from a sci-fi movie. Let's meet them. First up, the Barreleye fish. This fish has a transparent head. You heard that right, a see-through head. How crazy is that? Its eyes are also pretty fascinating. They look straight up through its skull to spot prey. Imagine having a glass forehead. No secrets ever again. Next, we have the vampire squid. Don't let its name fool you. This squid doesn't attack humans. Despite its scary name, it actually lives in the oxygen-starved depths of the ocean. To scare off predators, it wraps itself in its cloak-like arms. Quite dramatic, don't you think? Then there's the anglerfish. You might remember this fish from the movie Finding Nemo. This fish is also known as a horror lamp. Why? Well, take a look at its glowing bulb. It's like a built-in fishing rod. The anglerfish attracts prey with this light and then eats them. Males are much smaller than females, and when they find a female, they attach themselves to her body. They become a sort of permanent sperm donor. Pretty weird, right? But it gets stranger with the Greenland shark. This shark is one of the oldest living vertebrates on Earth. It can live for over 400 years. That means some Greenland sharks were swimming around while Shakespeare was still writing plays. Lastly, we have the sea cucumber. These squishy creatures are ocean janitors. They clean the seabed by eating sand and recycling nutrients. They also have a pretty bizarre way of defending themselves. When threatened, they expel their guts out to scare away predators. It's like giving your all in self-defense. How gross is that? Okay, now let's talk about one of my favorite strange creatures, the Dumbo octopus. This octopus is called Dumbo because it looks like the Disney cartoon character. It has ear-like fins that it uses to flap and steer itself through the water. Dumbo is definitely one of the cutest creatures living in the deep sea. We also have to talk about the Goblin shark. This shark is often called a living fossil because it's been around for a very long time. It has a long, pointy snout and really sharp teeth. What makes the goblin shark truly scary is its jaws. They can shoot forward like those of an alien. This shark is proof that nightmares can survive evolution. If you think these creatures are amazing, wait till you hear about the hatchetfish. This fish has huge eyes that it uses to spot prey in the darkness of the deep sea. It also has a transparent underside, which helps it camouflage itself. Can you imagine having huge, bulging eyes? And then there's the blobfish. This fish lives deep under the ocean, where the water pressure is really high. As a result, it has a very strange and kind of gross appearance. It's like a big round blob. I personally wouldn't want to meet this fish in the wild. Next up, we have the Japanese spider crab. This crab can have a leg span of up to 4 meters. That's as wide as a doorway. It also has sharp claws that it uses to crush its prey. Now let's talk about the blue-ringed octopus. This octopus is small but deadly. Its bite is extremely painful and can even kill humans. It's one of the most venomous creatures in the world. Last but not least, we have the mimic octopus. This octopus is famous for its ability to copy other animals. It can mimic the way that other creatures move, including the stinging cells of a lionfish. That's why it's important to never touch or pick up any strange creatures from the ocean. You never know what they might be hiding. So there you go, some of the strangest creatures that can be found in the ocean. From vampire squids to mimicking octopuses, our oceans are full of surprises. Which creature impressed you the most? Leave a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this journey into the bizarre world of ocean critters, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. These are just a few of the strangest ocean creatures ever discovered. Transparent heads, glowing lures, jaw-dropping predators. The ocean is full of surprises waiting for us to uncover. Which creature amazed you most? The brain-showing Barreleye, the terrifying Goblin shark, or the adorable Dumbo octopus? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe to Stories and Documentaries TV, like, share, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next incredible journey. I'm Venant, and I thank you for diving deep with me today. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.